Are you ready to learn Spanish words related to fruits? If so, let's get started. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and today's lesson is all about fruits. We're going to learn the words for apple, banana, orange, grapes, and strawberry. Let's start with apple. In Spanish, apple is manzana. Manzana. If you wanted to say, I eat apples, you would say, yo como manzanas. Our second word is banana, plátano. Plátano. If you wanted to say, I eat bananas, you would say, yo como plátanos. Our third word is orange, naranja. Naranja. If you wanted to say, I eat oranges, you would say, yo como naranjas. Our fourth word, grapes, uvas. If you wanted to say, I eat grapes, you would say, yo como uvas. Our last word today is strawberry, fresa. If you wanted to say, I eat strawberries, you would say, yo como fresas. Let's review those 5 fruits. In Spanish, apple is manzana. Banana is plátano. Orange is naranja. Grapes are uvas. And strawberry is fresa. Now let's test your knowledge. If you wanted to say apple in Spanish, how would you do that? If you said manzana, you're right. How would you say banana in Spanish? Plátano. What about orange? How would you say orange in Spanish? Naranja. What about grapes? How would you say grapes in Spanish? Uvas. And last, how would you say strawberry in Spanish? If you said fresa, you're right. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.